the goals of ACA is for you to be able to make an informed decision about what program of study you want to pursue here. So what we do in this course is we expose you to all of your options, and that's what Module 5 and Module 6 is all about. I realize not all of you plan to go directly into employment after you leave here, and I realize not all of you plan to transfer, which will be covered in Module 6. But these two modules are to give you all of your options so you can make that informed decision about what it is you want to do. So I would just encourage you to keep an open mind. Something to think about, you are allowed to be enrolled in 2 programs of study at the same time while you're here. So if there's something that catches your eye in the next 2 modules and you're interested in adding it on as a secondary program, or for some of you, maybe you just want to completely change your program of study, make sure to talk with an advisor, and then it's as easy as completing a change of program of study form to add on a secondary program. So the 2 assignments that you're going to complete for this module, you're going to have a degree completion plan assignment, and then you're going to complete a workforce and continuing education forum. For lesson content, this video are going to go over all those programs that lead directly into workforce. So what are the credentials you can earn here and then go directly and get a job? This section right here is going to lead you to our programs of study page and also a link to the programs of study page catalog, which I'll talk about in just a minute in your next assignment. This section focuses on workforce and continuing education, so that is short-term training courses that can lead directly into employment. You will have a forum where you have to talk about, are there any of these courses that are of interest to you? So make sure you go ahead and check out this link here where you can see the offerings. And then finally, you have a link to the North Carolina Community College System Program of Study page. There's a whole 58 other community colleges out there that all offer different programs of study. So hopefully Carteret has a program that is of interest to you, but if not, then I want to make sure you have a place where you can go to explore all of your other options as well. In terms of that first assignment that you're going to do, that is your degree completion plans assignment. You're going to click this link right here, which is going to take you to where you can download 2 degree completion plans. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure to go back to the lesson content and watch that video. I'm going to demonstrate for you in that video where you can go to find it and how you can download. But you're going to download 2 of them. Now, after you download 2 of them, feel free, you can answer these 2 questions in a Word document, but you'll also notice with this assignment, right beside where you upload the file, there is a text entry. So if you go over to text entry here, you can answer these 2 questions in the text box. Now the next assignment that you're going to complete is going to be that workforce and continuing education forum. Again, go back to that lesson content and take a look at all the offerings that we have, and then you're going to answer these 3 questions by hitting reply here. Just like with our other forum posts, make sure that you respond to at least 1 other classmate to receive full credit.